Aida will do 1, 2, and now we're going to turn with the girl 3, 4, walking in the same direction, and I'm going to bring her forward and make a break and a tap forward. 5. And I stop her here and I lock her between my both arms, and I don't allow her to put body weight on her right leg. Now from here I'm going to pull with the right and also lead with the left to the side. 6, and I keep pulling with my right and I take my right out. 7, I go forward and I go with the arm on this V, so be careful, don't hit her with the elbow. 8, I cross in front with the left, I push her with my right hand behind my back. 1, I walk back as she goes around me, because the girls need to keep walking around when the guy didn't stop you. 2, make connection on the left arm. This is the girl's job, to keep connection with the right arm on the body. Now we give her the exit with our elbow. 3, and we catch with the right. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to point her that way and to go 4. Keep pushing her with the right hand. 5, I'm going to ask for her hand while I turn her to my left 90 degrees, and we're going to virgola. 6, body connection. Watch how I'm turning my foot and the body turning. Now I go 7, and I do the contratempo that virgola has. 8, and then I go forward into woman's aida. 1, at this moment I already start the hand throw. 1, I go 2, her hand keeps going up, now I go back. 3, while I pull her, I keep connection with her body, but don't disturb her in her walking. Now I pull her to the side a little bit on the 4, I keep walking in front. 5, I keep pulling her back. 6, I arrive here, she's going to be careful to go with the elbow over my arm, catch her strongly, my friend, and as I turn, we go into the syncopation. 7, 10.